You're on now, baby. Okay, we're filming. Camera crew.
Like that, the death Purcell.
Also called Volkswagens. Oh, that's nice. So we stay to his right or left?
Hey,
Yeah.
he didn't say. He's just going to aim for the rocks and he's going to call me on the radio.
Okay.
And then tell me probably.
Oh, please, light, hold up. Please hold up.
That should be nice.
Just like with sex, a little begging helps. Earmuffs. Brett's kids, put on the earmuffs. This is uncensored. This is Kevin Smith filming live. On the top. Here's our guide over here, Derek. Had more fun than most men. And some women.
Even when they're together.
Why hasn't Rudy yodeled yet? I mean, I want to hear some yodeling.
So skier's left of his track, okay? So between his track and the cornice.
Is he marked right?
Yep.
And now we have Mr. Brett, live, coming to you.
Notice how I didn't do commentary when I was...
You can edit me out, but hey, who'd want to do that?
That's right. Once I figure out how to use the computer. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, left of his track. Just
go for it,
he's
buddy.
Gone really close to the rocks on the right-hand side. So, okay, you're up.
Oh, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. He's cornicing. Woohoo! Look at that boy.
Hang on.
Okay, all right.
Yep, please, sorry.
Yep.
I don't want everybody in this one at once.
How big is this corner?
That's Speck in the distance. That's Brett.
Okay.
Well,
make sure you stay left of the track.
This is Mickey, loud and proud. Woo! Yeah! Oh, that Brett, he's just an average skier. This is the real skier. Brett should be filming me. Mike Thompson coming to you live. Woo! Whoa, baby, oh, baby. Yes, guy. Oh, yeah, orgasmic. Woo! Sorry, earmuffs. Edit that out. Woo! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, here he is. Here's Big Brett coming at you. Great, Rudy. Nice minute.